we are cutting across to breaking news coming in minutes after she resigned. Harsimrat Kaur Badal has tweeted, and I quote, "I have resigned from the Union Cabinet in protest against anti-farmer ordinances and legislation, proud to stand with the farmers as their daughter and sister." So this is the latest tweet coming in from Harsimrat Kaur Badal soon after her resignation. Just few minutes after that, she has put out this latest tweet as she says that she completely stands by her decision and she has now quit the cabinet. She submitted her resignation just a short while ago. This over the agriculture bills tabled by the centre in the parliament, and she also went on to say that her party was not consulted before the bill was presented. Amandeep, my colleague, joining us on the phone line. Amandeep, she is very firm on her decision. She's quit her post over the agricultural bills tabled in the centre. But what more are we picking up with regards to how this decision has been received?
Swesha, just because the Shromani Akali Dal from the very first day claiming that they all stand with the farmers, in fact, they can take any kind of step to favor them. And in fact, in Punjab, farmers have landed on the roads, blocked the national highways against the ordinance. And in fact, today, Harsimrat Kaur Badal offered her resign, and they proved that Shromani Akali Dal is still in the favor of farmers, showing the strong concern with the farmers against the ordinance. And in fact, if we talk about the other side of the issue, the Captain Amarinder Singh, Punjab CM, has said that this is try to show off by the Akali Dal, as they have ruled the Punjab for 10 years and they did nothing for the Punjab. In fact, now the political controversy has taken another turn after the resignation of Union Minister. And in fact, let's see if the Shromani Akali Dal will break the alliance with the BJP, just because it is a part of NDA government. And in fact, it was a long relation that Shromani Akali Dal is pursuing with BJP. But now the things has taken a serious turn. In fact, this is a very major stake that Shromani Akali Dal is a minorities party, Sikh minorities party, and the only party which is having a strong coalition with BJP. And now there is a very sensitive thread of relation when this Harsimrat Kaur Badal has offered her resign. And in fact, now see what will happen in the future. Either her resign will be accepted or it will be managed. And in fact, what would be the relations of Shromani Akali Dal with BJP alliance? Yes.
Amandeep, as far as the farmers in Punjab are concerned, they have been protesting for days, and they have also said that MPs supporting the farm bills will be barred from their villages. So this decision now coming in from Harsimrat Kaur Badal, but Aishwarya is also with us on the phone line. Aishwarya, really wanting to understand what is the future as far as the alliance between the two parties is concerned and how the ruling party is taking this decision.
Swesha, that is not breaking. Akali Dal is going to be Akali Dal is going to be a part of NDA, firstly. So Akali Dal is not quitting out. Sukhbir Singh Badal understands keeping a Congress government in his state of Punjab. Akali Dal is a regional party, and they are just not satisfied with the terms and conditions of this farmers' bill. And they know that the minute this bill is passed, Congress is going to make a big hue and cry in the state of Punjab and then also Haryana. And then Akali Dal, having a minister in the cabinet, would not be able to justify that how they were opposing this and still they were with the government. So this is something which is being seen also for perception, because Akali Dal is not coming out of NDA at this very point of time. Yes, Harsimrat Kaur Badal has submitted her resignation directly to the Prime Minister's office from the Modi cabinet. But Akali Dal is not coming out of the NDA, that is the National Democratic Alliance. They are not coming out. They are going to be a part of the BJP-led alliance.
But Aishwarya, there is a lot at stake now in terms of the alliance must remain. But clearly there is a line of difference now as far as the agriculture bills being tabled in the parliament is concerned. Will there be further discussions on the same? Will the BJP also reconsider its decision? What can we expect now will happen in the days to come?
Dal is the oldest, and I repeat, the oldest alliance partner of the BJP. So Akali Dal is not pulling the plug. Prakash Singh Badal still leads the Akali Dal, though he is really old. But Sukhbir Badal also understands the kind of symbiotic relationship which is there between the Akalis and then the BJP. Akalis know that they are.
Right. Right. Aishwarya, I want to thank you for the moment, and we'll come back to you as the story develops further. For the moment, we slip into a short commercial break.